Alright guys, we've got here 2015 Volkswagen Amarok. And it's a bit, I don't know, it looks complicated, but we need 10. We need a flat screwdriver. How to pull this one out? It looks very weird. There is a hold down clamp there. That is 13. Oh, it is right there. Oh. Really, really tight. There you go. There you go. Ooh. Woohoo. Hold up. Pull it out. This can be removed, eh? Oh, there you go. There you go. Still hard though. Won't go anywhere, guys. Give it a try. Easy. That is your 2015 Volkswagen Amarok. It takes the IN66 size, the taller version.